So basically to get the back seat out, what you have to do is you have to put the seat down, and then there's this black clip and you want to slide it that way, so like this way. Then all you have to do is just keep wiggling and then it'll come out from here. It comes out from here and you just...
Easy.
That's the first part of it. So now you're going to take the back seat out. Basically this one you can literally just pull it up, but in theory you guys should have like tabs that are here and here, but he doesn't have that, so you literally just rip it up. Yeah, that's all you got to do. And back seat's out. So to get this rear seat belt up, basically what you have to do is you have to remove this whole entire panel here, and to be able to get that off you have to take off the front seat belt. So I'm just undoing this and this, which is a 19, and then we should give us access to be able to take this whole panel off.
Roger.
Here we go. Basically to get this panel off, it's literally this and it's this, so you have to undo about 5 or 6 screws. So there's one here, and then there's like multiple here, and then one here. So that's what we're doing now. So we've got that off, so basically the next step is we're going to try take this entire panel off. So I'm just taking the speaker out just so we can make space when we pull this entire panel off, so that's just going to go down there.
Piece of piss, mate.
Holy shit! Oh wait.
Yeah, look, disconnected.
Just disconnect that. Alright, that should do it. Oh. So yeah, you literally have to pull all of that off just so you can get access to this, which is the seatbelt we're changing, so... Fuck! It's a whole panel, man. Holy shit. Easy. Come on, mate, just screw it off.
Damn. Slowly, mate. It's coming. It's a bit of a long screw, eh?
Holy fuck. Alright, so that's the top bolt, so now it's just that bolt right there, which is a 19, and then it's out.
Is there a second bolt?
Nah, it's just that. It's a weird fucking angle to work from.
Fuck my recording shit.
Yeah, that's basically it. So the last bolt's down here, which holds the seat belt to the car. Yeah.
Easy, mate.
The problem with this is like won't even retract at all. Like look,
That's
literally.
what I mean, the retractor's fucked on it.
So yeah, that's everything you have to do to like disassemble everything. So we're about to put the new seat belt in now. It's in.
Fucking finally. Tell them what happened, Ashton.
So this new seat belt locked. So basically, literally all of this was here, and when you'd pull it, it just anti-locked because of the mechanism it has in it, and we couldn't figure out how to fucking undo it for like a good 20 minutes Bailey was stressing the fuck out. I fucked it, my seatbelt's broken. But it turns out the seatbelt has to be like basically 90 degrees, so you just install it and then you can actually literally just pull it out. Because that's how they're fucking built to work. So if you ever run into the problem where your seatbelt locks up, literally just install this bit against the fucking wall of the car and then you can just pull it out.
Pretty straightforward if you think about it.
Yeah, this little case goes over. If you guys didn't know, you just need a flat head to pop it off.
Now,
Oh, got it all bolted in. Fucking minter. Starting to look like a car again. Get the sub in me. Yes, boss. So we just finished everything. The only problem is, if we take this, doesn't fucking clip in. Fuck! Because this piece here is just a bit too thick. Because it's a different seat belt. So, fuck! Yeah, so we're in pick apart at the moment. It's an absolute wasteland in here. This is the sketchiest shit. Literally cars are just held up on fucking rims, man. What the fuck? So basically we just need this bit so the seatbelt actually clicks in. Whoa. It's the moment of truth. Will it work? Oh, fucking no.
fucking beauty, mate.
Alright, that's all good. Good as new.